Let's take a look at this electric blanket by Entil. Now this is a fleecy electric blanket, so let's take a look inside the box. Not a lot to it. Okay, Amazon made it a little bit hard to open there. So putting the stickers across the tabs. Okay, slide that out. Nothing else in the box, so we'll get rid of that. So I'll take it out. That is nice and soft. Take a look, just the usual documentation, but it does tell you how to use the display and the timer and so on, so we'll take a look at that. And then I'm guessing, yeah, it goes into all the other languages. So that's that. Open that up. There are the controls, relatively large. So there's up and down on both of those. So one's got a timer and then the other one's the heat level and then on and off. So you won't be able to use this with a smart plug. Say you've got something like Alexa controlling it. When that turns on, you'll need to still turn it on manually here. And again, any of your settings that you've set in here will be wiped between it being turned off and on. So just bear that in mind if you hoped to use it with a smart plug or something like a timer switch. That won't be possible with this type of model. You're gonna have to look for one with like a big clicky on and off and a sort of manual switch to set the temperatures. Okay, so the cord itself goes into this corner. And there's a bit of length here, and then the cable here, I'll get that measured. I'll let you know how long that is. So this is it, placed on a standard double bed. So this is a Lisa mattress. And so you've got these straps in this corner, in each of the corners, to pull that down and secure it on the sides of the bed. Now, this is an awkward position, and getting this is going to have to be at your head end, not the foot of the bed, because that only reaches that far up. I suppose you could have it there, but that's not going to be convenient. So there's a layer underneath which is nice, but that feels like it's supposed to go down on the bed, then the softer side on the up here. Now you can't feel the wires through this, so that's nice. Or you can just feel it on the outside there. So I've attached these. So with the Lisa mattress being really thick, I'm not sure if this is really going to work too well with regard to the straps at the top and here. They're just not going to reach. But I'm sure just putting another sheet on top, that's going to stay put, I'm hoping. And then I've reorientated this to have the electrical cables running at that side. So I'll switch that on. You can see what it does. So it switches on and it enters a standby mode. Hitting the power button then tells you what the heat setting is. You can increase that, decrease it accordingly. 8 being, oh, H being the hottest, I guess. And what does it say at the bottom? Number 1. Okay. And then this button toggles for how long it's going to be on in hours. So it will go from 1 to 9. And if you just leave that there, and now it stops flashing and then tells you that it's on which heat setting, and then you change that accordingly, but the timer will still be going down, and then it will auto shut off when it hits that time limit. And that's it really. There's not a lot more to it. I'm going to report back in the comments, tell you how I get on. It's springtime now, entering summer, so it's not the best time to test it, but I'll certainly update the description and let you know how I get on with this as we get into the colder months. Anyway, hope this helps. Thanks for watching. See you next time.